Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will let you know step-by-step instructions to help fix Discord if it's not opening. Step 1. Close Discord. If Discord is open but not responding, close it completely. You can do this by right-clicking the Discord icon in the system tray, bottom right corner of the screen on Windows, and selecting Quit Discord. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, restarting your computer can resolve software issues, including problems with Discord not opening. Restart your computer and try opening Discord again. Step 3. Check for updates. Ensure that Discord is up to date. Open the Discord app or download the latest version from the official Discord website. Updates often include bug fixes that may resolve issues with the app not opening. Step 4. Check Antivirus/Firewall settings. Your antivirus or firewall settings may be blocking Discord from opening. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try opening Discord again. If Discord opens successfully, add it to the list of allowed applications in your antivirus/firewall settings. Step 5. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click on the Discord shortcut or executable file and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission-related issues that might be preventing Discord from opening. Step 6. Clear Discord cache. Discord stores temporary files and cache data that may become corrupted over time. Clearing the cache can sometimes resolve issues with the app. To clear the cache, close Discord, press Win+R to open the Run dialog, type %appdata% and press Enter. Then, locate the Discord folder, open it, and delete the contents of the cache and local storage folders. Step 7. Reinstall Discord. If none of the above steps work, you can try reinstalling Discord. Uninstall Discord from your computer, download the latest version from the official Discord website, and install it again. Step 8. Check for system updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date. Updates can sometimes include fixes for compatibility issues that may be causing Discord not to open. Step 9. Contact Discord support. If you've tried all of the above steps and Discord still isn't opening, you may need to contact Discord support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps tailored to your specific issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix issues with Discord not opening on your computer.